In this video, we'll explain how to set up your test for the appropriate pass-fail analysis criteria and such that you're going to perform on your multi-fiber connector. The first thing that you're going to want to do is enter the menu from the live screen, and the first option will be connector setup. You'll select connector setup, and it'll take you through a series of options. The first one is selecting your profile. Now, the FiberChek Sidewinder ships by default with a number of pre-configured profiles in there, including all of the different acceptance criteria for the IEC 61300-335 standard. Many technicians prefer to use this as it's called out and regularly recognized throughout the industry. So the first thing I select is I want to choose the ribbon single mode APC profile. So I select that. The next thing it'll ask me is what kind of connector am I going to be testing here? In this particular scenario, I'm testing a 12 fiber MPO or MTP connector. There's also different options for 12 by 2, 16 by 1, 16 by 2, 8 by 1, so on and so forth. But I'm going to stick with 12 by 1. It was already underlined, which showed that it was the one that was selected. And then the final option is that I need to select the tip. Now, this is an optical setting that optimizes both the spatial and the lighting settings for the analysis of that MPO. Now, various MPO connectors have different textures, and so that can oftentimes impact the brightness that may be reflecting back. And so on this one here, it defaulted to ribbon tips 1. There's actually 3 pre-configured options that you can customize depending on the settings that you want to use. I want to use the pre-configured setting that I've established for ribbon tips 2. So I'll go ahead and select that. And now I'm completed, and I'll back out of that, pressing my return button. And now I'm completely set up and ready to run a test.
Please leave a thumbs up if you like this video. We have playlists with more tutorials on this product and others over on our channel page. Subscribe and click the bell to be notified when we release new content. For more information on this product and other VIAVI Solutions offerings, please visit our website. You can find the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.